Before you apply for a general employment permit, you need to know how this actually works under the new system, because misunderstanding even one step can cost you money. Let's answer the most common general employment permit questions properly. Can I apply for a general employment permit myself? No. The application has to be filled by both parties, the employer and the employee. Under the new employment permits online portal, the employer should ideally start the application, complete their section, upload company documents, and then submit the application. The employee then needs to complete their own section. You cannot apply without your employer's active involvement. Can I submit my part if my employer is slow? No. Both sections are mandatory. If your employer does not complete their part, the application does not exist. Do I need my employer's support after submission? Yes. During processing, the department may contact the employer for clarifications. If the employer does not respond on time, the application can be refused. Can I change my jobs on a general employment permit? No. The permit is employer specific. To change employers, you must apply for a change of employer via the employment permits online portal, and the new role must meet the criteria for a permit change. Does a high salary improve approval chances? No. Salary must meet the minimum threshold, but compliance matters more than the pay. A high salary does not fix an ineligible role or non-compliant employer. Does a GEP lead to stamp 4? Yes, but not immediately. You must complete the 5 years on the permit and meet immigration conditions before applying for stamp 4. Can I appeal a refusal? Yes, but appeals must be based on facts and evidence. Emotional appeals or explanations without new information rarely succeed. Things you must know: your employer's compliance matters as much as your profile, your timing matters, your job description matters, and your employer must stay engaged throughout the process. A general employment permit is not just paperwork, it is shared responsibility between you and your employer. If you do not live in Ireland or are not planning to move here, this video is not for you. This page is created for people who are already living in Ireland, who are dealing with immigration confusion with work permits, or let's say any other kind of immigration applications. Every situation is unique and some cases require one-on-one consultation. I've created this page because throughout my own journey there were too many gray areas and no clear answers. Follow along for updates and clear explanation on multiple immigration applications in Ireland.